So today I'll be doing an unboxing on the Elgato Wave 1 microphone. And this is a pretty new microphone from Elgato. And the upside of this microphone is basically it has a lot of features compared to their competitors. So even on the side of the box here, you can see the different features that they list here. It's definitely a lot more than a typical microphone you see, because they also have a software stack that you can use for streaming, which you can see on the back here, called Wavelink, which is basically like a virtual mixer of sorts that you can control the inputs and outputs of all the sounds in your PC for when you're streaming or recording a video, like a gameplay, for example. And it's meant to be, and basically the software is meant to make it easier for streamers and gameplay recorders to mix their sounds and have the sounds however loud or however quiet they want it to be without being too difficult. And so let's just take open the box and let's see what's inside. And I guess what's interesting about this microphone is that the software stack that they're including is basically the product that they're selling you. Even though, well, I guess you can listen for yourself too from this video if you think the sound of this microphone is good or not, because I'm actually using this microphone to record this voiceover. So you kind of have a taste of what this microphone sounds like from the get-go before I even do a full review of this thing. But anyways, inside the box, let's take a look inside and see what do they have. And on top of the box, you can see there's this and as you can see inside the outer box, we have another box which you have to take out and you have to flip open, which then contains all the accessories first on top. As you can see here, there's also the basically like a quick startup guide on how to plug it in and where to download the software and things like that. It's pretty simple. You just have to download their Wavelink software if you want to use it. You can't actually use it without it because it just works as an external microphone. But really, the selling point of this microphone, again, is the Wavelink software. So you're really going to be missing out if you're not going to install that software. Now, in this accessory box, there's just some cable, which is actually pretty nice because this is a USB Type-C cable, which is way better than USB Type-B that comes with most desktop USB microphones. And you also get this adapter for like a boom mount or basically your own microphone mount if you want to use them. And yeah, well, the cable here is also quite long, so I guess it's quite nice if you need to position your mic quite far from your computer or like in a recording studio if you decide to use this microphone for that. And this will really help get the mic out of the way if you want to put it somewhere away from the computer, because it's really a quite long cable that they included. Now for the microphone itself, it's encased in this like soft touch paper or plastic baggy thing. So here's the microphone itself. I'm gonna show you guys the software later on in my main review. So in this video, I'm just showing the physical aspect of the microphone, which is the device itself. And as you can see, it's finished in this nice matte black finish, and there's this volume dial on the front here, which is for controlling the microphone gain and also the headphone output, I think. And you can also use it to mute or unmute the mic with just a click. And on the back, you can see the USB Type-C connector for connecting the USB cable to a computer, and also an aux output for your headphones for monitoring. And on the bottom base, you can also see there's like a rubber pad, I guess, for stopping vibration noises. And on the side, you also see the Wave 1 logo engraved onto the side. And it does have a swivel mount on the microphone stand, so you can position it however you want to face your mouth for better directional sound pickup. And again, this is a cardioid condenser mic, so this microphone is really well, it's meant for streamers and gameplay recording people on computers, or you can use it for a recording studio, I guess, as well if you want to record music. And there's not much else to show you guys except, well, I guess I'm just going to plug in this cable here and show you guys how to do that. It's just USB Type-C, which is pretty nice because USB Type-C is way more durable than like a USB Type-B. So it's nice that they use that standard now. But that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you do, please leave a like and please click subscribe to see more of my future videos. And I guess a review of this mic is coming pretty soon as well. Thanks for watching.